questions are given like this, like we are given a polynomial function that is fx is equals to 10 minus 6x minus x square. Okay. Now, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to find the interval for which the function is increasing, decreasing, and you can say, yeah, increasing and decreasing in the interval. But Priya, can you tell me before going ahead with increasing and decreasing, do you know how to do differentiation of a function?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm? Okay. So what is the first step in for finding the increasing and decreasing the interval for increasing and decreasing function? We should first of all differentiate. The very first function is the very first step is differentiation of this given function. Okay.
Oh, no, no, no. Like, when I meant like giving a function, they graph it.
Okay. From the graph. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm. So let me first tell you this one, then we will take a graph because it is like from the given graph you have to take a function. So function will be this way only, quadratic or cubic polynomial.
It's just a random like function.
It's just a
It can be a random function. It's not like a specific quadratic or cubic.
I know it can be any function. It can be quadratic, it can be cubic, it can be a straight line, a linear graph, any.
It can also be
I
like
will
a
tell you.
triangle.
I will tell you. Okay, but I will start with a simple one so that you can easily do it. Alright. So what we do is the first step is you have to perform differentiation, right? So once you perform differentiation, what it will be? It will be minus 6 minus 4x. Will it be?
Minus 6 minus 4x.
We differentiated it. Yeah. Did you get it? Do you know differentiation?
Isn't subtracting?
Differentiation, we differentiate the function. Suppose if I have 2x square, I have to differentiate. So I find d over dx. That will be 2 times 2, 4x. Do you remember that? You do
I
not remember.
never went that.
Okay. Okay. Can you please just take up any question and tell me how the questions are asked in your class? Like, can you take up any question?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Do you have any question?
Yeah, give me a minute. Let me pull
Yeah.
it up.
Yeah. So that we can explain it in a good way. Did you get it?
I'm still trying to find it.
Oh, okay. So that we can have a idea because as far as I remember, this is what we do. But as you're saying, you're not aware about. Have you done differentiation?
Mm-hmm.
Not?
Wait, no, no, I haven't done differentiation, sorry.
Okay, you haven't done. Without differentiation, how we have to find the. Okay, got it. Okay. You know, when the domain and the range of like okay, if you're able to find the question, tell me, otherwise I'll tell you.
Yeah, I found it.
Hmm.
Uh, so for this one, if I do, so it just has like a graph.
Hmm.
Wait, can I draw it?
Yeah, I draw it.
And then one example would be like a graph like this. And then it would just be like, what's the domain and range? And then there'll be like a circle and then a circle. There'd be numbers and it'd be like the what's the domain and range and interval, set notation and algebraic notation.
Okay.
And then it
So
would be like increasing, decreasing, x-intercept, y-intercept, minimum, maximum, positive, negative intervals.
okay, I'll tell you just. Mm. So the graph is like this, right? This is a graph, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can you tell me the
But
points
it can be various.
uh, where it is intersecting? Can you tell me these points
Um, the
from the graph?
intersection.
Seeing the graph?
Uh, negative 10, these points, y-intercept and x-intercepts.
Yeah.
The y-intercept is 3.
3.
Oh, like, I,
X-intercept is 3.
no, x-intercept. Wait, I drew the graph wrong. It's something like that. And then there's like a point here and a point here. This is 3. This is 2, negative 2. And this is 7. It's not accurate, but yeah.
Okay. This. All right. So you know what is range and what is domain? Domain. What is domain? Tell me.
Domain is like the x
X-intercept.
values
Okay. And range.
is the y values.
Okay. So x-intercept will be what? Wherever it's intersecting at x. So where it is intersecting.
It's intercepting in negative 2 and 7.
So it will be minus 2 comma 7 interval. Will it be?
Wouldn't it be this though?
No, but it is not intersecting x, no?
But that's
Is
but
it?
that's the intercept. No, domain is like all from this point towards this point, all the
Yes.
x.
All the x-intercepts. So all the x-intercepts means x-intercept means what, Priya? That a function like the graph should intersect means should cut x-axis. But here it is not cutting x-axis. It is only cutting me x-axis. This you can see this graph is not meeting, is not intersecting x-axis. Can you see this graph intersecting x-axis?
No.
No, no. So it's not going to be x-axis. Just give me 1 second. I'll put my laptop on charging. Okay, Priya?
Okay.
Yes. So you can see what is that? Whenever you have any graph, today suppose if I have this graph, so its domain will be at from here to here. Okay, why not from here? Because this is not in the